Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melissa, and today I actually have a beauty tutorial, a makeup tutorial, a freaking Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. And I know what you guys are thinking, like, Melissa, you don't do tutorials. Bitch, it's 2018, I'm gonna do tutorials! With my new setup and all, I'm able to do more makeup, and that was one of my 2018 goals, is to do more makeup tutorials or beauty related videos for you guys, just to expand my audience, expand what I create for you guys, create different content, have my little tin right here full of fabulous products that I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve a bomb-ass Valentine's Day look. Love makeup, and I love sharing what I have been loving. Maybe I should stick to fashion. This is the look that I will be wearing for Valentine's Day this year. It's very natural, it's very dewy, it's very me. So without further ado, make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They will all be down in the down bar below. My Instagram is at ThreadsObsessed, my Depop is Melissa8, and my Snapchat is Melissa Chatty. But without further ado, let's get into this makeup tutorial. Anyone else just like drink water while they do their makeup? Because it's just like, I'm gonna shine bright like a diamond and I need to glow, so hydrate me. Let's get this show on the road. Should I zoom you guys in a little bit? Ooh, maybe that's too close. So I have my mirror here. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I feel like I'm doing my first video ever. Okay. Yeah, first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take this little tool that I purchased a few days ago that I've been loving, and I'm just gonna kind of depuff and kind of just do this all over my skin. To be honest, I just think it feels really good. I'm not really sure if it's just a gimmick and it doesn't really do anything, but it feels really, really nice, and it just feels like it's just softening my skin up, prepping it for the day. So once that is done, I'm gonna take my moisturizer, actually, because I just washed my face and I didn't moisturize. It is the Drunk Elephant La Retro Whipped Cream. I freaking love this stuff. It is expensive. It's like $80, so that's why you only use like the littlest bit as possible. Once I am done with that, I actually take my MAC strobe cream in the color GOLDLITE, and I just put that all over my face. So what's up with you guys? Like, do you have any Valentine's Day plans? I personally don't have any plans yet. I'm hoping that my boyfriend does something cool for me. This is maybe a video to remind him that Valentine's Day is like in 5 days. So I put that all over my face. This is literally my favorite primer. It's just so glowy, and it just makes you freaking glow like a light bulb. It's just so cute. You'll see a trend with the products that I use here. Everything's very moisturizing and very glowy. And the next step that I do is actually a mixture. So I take my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. So again, this is very natural. This is actually a moisturizer that's tinted, so it's not full coverage. You use whatever you want your base to look like, but this is just the look that I go for on a daily basis. I just think that honestly, less looks better on my skin for some stuff. This is my holy grail, and I actually mix the two together because I don't know. Okay, and then my next step, which before I even go to blend it in, which is my favorite step and like the biggest tip that I can tell you guys for having glowy skin, is I take this Josie Maron 100% pure argan oil. And I mean, if you're an oily person, I don't suggest to do this, but if you're dry AF like me, I highly suggest to do this. So I just put a drop on each cheek, and this will just make your skin look so flawless and bomb. And then I just blend with a damp beauty blender. I wet this before I got to the table. Aren't you proud of me? Pouncy, pouncy, pounce. Alright, and then I will take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. This is the best stuff ever. This is literally so inexpensive, just from the drugstore, and it honestly works wonders. So, and it's just so easy and cool, and you just like twist it up. So I'll cover up all my pimpies. So I'm going to quickly do my brows using my little Benefit tools.
you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed. My mom, I'm sorry. And they know me.
A lot of bad things that they wish and wish and wish.
Once we are done with the brows, I think that I'm gonna go and just bronze up my face a little bit. So I use the Physicians Formula bronzer in light bronzer. I'm going to Florida in like 2 weeks. I'm so excited to get away. Finally, like I've been needing to book this vacation in so long, but as you guys know, I have a doggy. I really want to leave him. He's not a doggy, he's a puppy. I literally got him like a month and a half ago. I'm only going for 5 days, so it's not like super long. This bronzer is the best bronzer. If you do not have this, you need this, honestly, because it's just so natural and it just looks so freaking good. Yes, I must be going out somewhere after this. All right, so now comes the fun part. So basically this whole entire look, I will be using this palette right here. It is the STILA Sunset Serenade Convertible Color Lip and Cheek Duo. This is my shit. I literally love it so freaking much, and we're basically going to be using these two colors mainly. And I know you guys are thinking, what are you going to be doing with that, Melissa? You're scaring me. We'll be putting it on our lips, our cheeks, and our eyes. So this is basically the look, honestly. So simple, so glowy and dewy. So we're going to take this pink color right here and we're just going to put it all over the lid. Then like drag it out just a little bit like so. You see that? If you ain't got a man's, you're gonna get a man's now. That is literally the eyes. That is all I do for the eyes. I think it is so stunning. I wore this look like a few days ago and I'm obsessed with it, just like on an everyday basis even, but just especially for Valentine's Day. This is so cute. And then you take the same and put it on your little cheekies. If you want like a lighter look, like a less out there type of look, you could totally go for that one, but we're going all in right now. So you just put a little bit on your cheekies like this, and you're done. No, I'm kidding. And then you take your beauty blender and you blend it out. That way it's just like super natural and you just look so freaking cute. You smile like a little creepy person just to like get the perfect blush. Okay, and then we're going to step away from the palette before I get a little bit too carried away right now, and we are going to highlight the face. So I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs highlighter in the color Spotlight. This is my absolute favorite highlighter of all time. A very good dupe is one from ColourPop called Flexitarian. I also have that one. They are my favorites of all time, and every time I wear them I get like a billion trillion compliments. And you can either just like plop it on like that, there and there, a little bit here and here, and then you just kind of blend it out with the beauty blender. Do you see where I'm going with this look here? Okay, and then the next thing that we are going to do is curl the lashes and put some mascara on it. This is my fave mascara ever. Girl, if you want to look like you have falsies on, you need this. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. You can totally put falsies with this look. I just personally love the look of like very natural eyes with this because it's such a natural, like simple look. So, but it's totally up to you, whatever floats your boat. But we're gonna go back into the STILA palette right here, and we're gonna put that same color all over the lips to make you look super juicy and kissable. Oh yeah. And then we're going to add some extra sauce, and we're going to put the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb over top. Actually very much love the look of like kind of like an overlined lip almost, but like a messy overlined lip with the STILA palette. I feel like that it just it looks very natural. Personal preference of mine. And then we are going to just quickly set the face with the All Nighter setting spray. And the most important part of this look, if you're wearing an off the shoulder top or dress or whatever, you need to go in with something that's really gonna glow you to the gods. So I have this Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Shimmery Body oil and we're just gonna spray it all over ourselves. I hope I don't get it all over my coat. We're gonna just blend that in with a little beauty splendor. And it also smells like coconut. So it's gonna smell real good. And then we can just also take a little bit of this highlight, put it on the shoulders where I also have a pimple, just to really make that shine. Both sides, a little bit all over the collarbone, right here and right here. And you're a freaking goddess, and that is how you get yourself a man's or a woman's on Valentine's Day, girl. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these videos from me, if you guys want more of these videos. I hope you guys have an awesome Valentine's Day with your special someone or yourself, or honestly just love yourself on Valentine's Day. That's the most important part. I'm not gonna get super cheesy. I will be your Valentine if you do not have one. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!